All right, welcome back, my dear students. So in this lecture here, we're gonna delete a couple files. Well, I want you to delete a couple files since I already did that. You don't need. We don't need it. All right. So let's go to our home directory. Let's go to our public underscore HTML. Let's go to our resources. All right. And then we're going to templates. Now, if you notice my templates, I only have the back directory here, and I deleted the whole front directory, so you can go ahead and delete all that. All you need in this back directory is these files. All right, so make sure you delete that, and I have only templates and uploads. All right, this is a folder that we have created here. If you don't have this, make sure you do, because we're going to be needing it soon. All right, so this is going to be on the public resources, have a uploads folder. All right, so now we have an echo showing on the thank you page, and we need to fix that right away. So let's go to our home directory, and let's go to resources and cart, and here we're going to look for a function called process something excuse me, process underscore transaction, and we're going to go all the way down. Mine is on line 232, and I'm just going to take that echo out of there because it's echoing the quantity. I'll show you right now, right there. Echo that. Well, take that off, right? And we're good to go. All right. So what else are we actually looking into here? All right, we got everything we need. All right, what we're doing now is looking for things to make better in our e-commerce site. In this lecture, basically, we took out the echo, and we deleted, hopefully you deleted those files that you don't need there, and you could rename those templates and that folder if you want to, and update all the files that require those files. It's up to you. All right, we're gonna be making this application a lot better. So in the next lecture, we'll jump into fixing images for the products inside admin, for uploading and displaying pictures. Okay, I'll show you that in the next lecture. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.